Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. I am Assistant Professor Sanghamitra Benkhare. Class SY BMMC Semester 4, Subject Electronic Media 2, and today's our topic is radio. Radio are the most primary means of mass communication. Even before the television, the radio was the ultimate source and means of mass communication. The radio played an important role in development of communication, mainly due to its advantage of reaching to many people from the different sections of the society. The radio is the best medium of entertainment. The radio is the best medium of the entertainment. It provides healthy and rich entertainment to the listener. For majority of Indians in the rural areas, radio is the only source of a news and entertainment. Radio is inexpensive. Even in the most economically and backward section can afford to use the medium of radio. Due to the portable radio receiver facility of moving radio from one place to another place is possible. The term radio is derived from the Latin word radius, meaning the spoke of wheels or a beam of light or rays. The radio is the technology of using radio waves to carry information such as sound by systematically modulating properties of electromagnetic waves transmitted through the space. Now, history of the radio. The radio broadcasting was pioneered in India by Madras Presidency Club in 1924. The club worked a broadcasting service for 3 years, but owing to financial difficulties, it gave up in 1927. In the 1927, some enterprising businessmen in Bombay started the Indian Broadcasting Company with the station at Bombay and Calcutta. In 1932, the Government of India took over the broadcasting. A separate department was opened known as Indian Broadcasting Service. The service was later designated All India Radio, was placed under a separate ministry, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The main features of the radio. The radio does not need a powerful electrical supply. You can listen a radio using a dry battery cells even if you don't have a electrical power supply. The cost of radio production of radio set is very low, and the small radio can be brought up for as a very low price. You can say at 50 rupees. The radio makes a picture. As you heard the commentary, you could visualize or see in your mind what was being described. Remember the example of running commentary of Republic Day of India. You could actively see the pictures in your mind of the parade, even you listen to the sound of band and playing patriotic tunes on the sound of marching and commands. Power of imagination is used while listening the radio. The radio is very creative form of media. Now the types of radio broadcasting. The broadcasting by a radio takes a several forms such as short wave, AM, FM, pirate radio, terrestrial digital radio, and satellite. What do you mean by a radio frequency? Common radio messages are transmitted over the RF band between 0.05 MHz and 900 MHz. Short waves. The short waves is used largely for national broadcasters, international propaganda, or religious broadcasting. Shortwave radio is a radio transmission using shortwave radio frequencies. AM stations. The AM stations refers to the amplitude modulation. AM refers to the amplitude modulations. Modulating signal is overimposed on a carrier wave, converting low frequencies into high frequencies. Carrier waves and message waves are get combined into this. FM. FM refers to the frequency modulation. FM occurs on VHF airways in the frequency range of 88 to 110 MHz everywhere except Japan and Russia. FM now become the dominant media, especially in the cities. Pirate radio. Pirate radio is an illegal or non-regulated radio transmission. It is most commonly used to describe illegal broadcasting for entertainment and political purpose. Rules and regulation vary largely different from country to country. Terrestrial digital radio. The most simple system is named DAB digital radio for digital audio broadcasting. Satellite. The satellite radio broadcasters are slowly emerging, but the enormous entry cost of space-based satellite transmitters and restrictions on available radio spectrum's license has restricted the growth of this radio broadcasting market. Thank you.